Hello factorization. We have arrived now, guys. Without waste of any time, let's just go straight into the first problem. Right, in order for us to factorize, we need to know the kind of the problem that we are factorizing. All right, we have got 1 2 3, so this one is trinomial. So what do we have to do to get this x squared? That means we need to multiply x and x. Now we have got positive right here. In order for us to get that positive, that means we are multiplying negative, multiply by negative to get positive, or we are multiplying positive, multiply by positive to get what? To get positive. But and then how do we know which sign to put there inside the brackets? All right, we look at the middle sign right here. The middle sign is positive, it's a negative, so to say. So that means we will write negative and negative there. All right, now we need to look for the factors of 6, that if we add them or subtract them, they will give us -7. So the factors of 6 is 1 2 3 6. But 3 and 2, or 2 and 3, they will not give us what? 7. Even if I can say -2 -3, I will not get 7. But 1 and 6, if I say -1 -6, I do get -7. So the factors will be 1 there, and then you'll have 6 there. So this is how you factorize, guys, and that's it. Now let us move on to the next problem. On the next problem, what we have to do is to first factorize by a common factor. All right, so what we have in common here, it's 2. So if you take 2 out as your common factor, this side you are left with 8x cubed minus 1. All right, to check if this is true, what you can do is to multiply this. That will be 2 multiplied by 8 to give you 16, and then that will be 2 multiplied by 1 to give you 2. So this makes sense, it is correct. Right now we need to move on. We have got 2 there. This problem, the name of this problem is called difference of 2 cubes. So we need to factorize it. And when we factorize it, that means we will have a binomial and a trinomial. So now, to get this first binomial, what we have to do is to apply the cube root on 8x cubed. Right, the cube root of 8, that will be 2. So we write 2 there. The cube root of x cubed, that will be x, because 3 will cancel with the cube root there, so we will have x. Right now we have got this sign, you take it as it is, you write it. If it's positive, you write positive. If it's negative, you write negative. All right, good. Now if you apply the cube root on 1, if you say the cube root of 1, that will give you 1. So we will have 1 there. All right, now we are done with the binomial. This binomial, we are done with it. What we have to do now, we need to move on to the trinomial. Now how to get those terms? So what we have to do, you take this first one, which is 2x, and then you square it. All right, so 2 squared, that will give us 4, so we will have 4 there. X squared, that will give us x squared, right? All right, now in terms of the sign, this sign right here, it's negative, so this one must be positive, because these two signs are always opposite to each other. If right here you are having positive, you must have negative there. If you are having negative, that means you must have positive there. All right, now I told you that this side we need to have what? A trinomial. All right, that means 3 terms. We need to have 3 terms this side. So right now we only have 1 term. That means we are going for the second term, which is going to be the middle term. Now in order for us to get the middle term, what we have to do is to multiply these 2 terms. All right, we multiply them. So we will have 2x multiplying 1, and the answer will be what? Will be 2x. So that means here we will have 2x. All right, so that will be 2x then. And then we have the next sign. The next sign, guys, it's always positive. This sign here is always positive. All right, to get the last term here, all right, so we need to take this 1 there, we square it. So we have got 1 we need to square it, put it in brackets, so the answer will be 1, and right there we will have 1. All right, so this becomes our answer, guys. Thank you guys, thank you for your time. If you have got any question, guys, it's okay. I will see you on the comment. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Bye.